7 reasons for implementing a whistleblower program in your organization. Reason number 1. It is gradually becoming a regulatory requirement. In European Union, every business with more than 50 employees must have a whistleblowing program by December 2021. In India, it is already a must for all public listed companies. Reason number 2. Huge size of the reported as well as unreported fraud year after year. US Securities Exchange Commission whistleblower program awarded a total of over 23 million USD in the first quarter of 2021 to whistleblowers whose information led to an enforcement action. Reason number 3. It minimizes the organization's exposure to the damage that can occur to it when employees circumvent or override control mechanisms. Reason number 4. It will make employees and stakeholders know that the organization is really serious about adherence to codes of conduct. Reason number 5. To provide anonymity to any stakeholder wishing to report any genuine concerns. Reason number 6. To encourage employees and stakeholders to bring knowledge of ethical and legal violations to the internal ethics committee in advance so that action can be taken immediately to resolve the problem. 7 and last reason. It is cost effective and live 24/7. For knowing more about the setting up of an anonymous whistleblower hotline in your business, kindly contact Josh Matthews at sayspeakup.com.